Okay, so to submit an assignment, we go to our actual assignments page, which I need to, let me make sure. I'm in the student view. It's still refreshing. Okay, ignore these undated assignments. We don't need those. Those are just for your, um, I got to get rid of those. Those aren't part of this module. This is part of the template. So you can see your assignments, right? Your photo, your what you want to learn write up, and then today we went over the, well, for this week we went over the what I want to learn video. So let's go to what I want to learn photo. I'm going to do it two ways. This way through the assignments and the other way through the actual website. So there's your photo, right? Okay, so I'm going to submit the assignment up here. Click submit. It says scroll down to the bottom because on my version of the student view it showed at the bottom, but I'm going to change that to make it show at the top. Okay, submit. And then this is where you're going to upload it. Okay, just like you do with email. You're going to choose file, then go find your photo. I'm just going to get a screenshot here. Just or whatever. Let me see. Oh, that's when I was taking roll. Let's just take a screenshot of that. So pretend this is your photo that you placed in your computer. Upload it just like you would do when you're uploading something. Then it'll say the name of it there, and then any comments you can just say, here is my photo, okay, or here is my what I want to learn photo. Then submit assignment. And then you wait for it, and then it's been submitted. So you see this graffiti showing up. That means graffiti, confetti. Sorry, confetti. So that means it submitted. On your computer, it will show a lot smoothly because on here it's a little stalled. But that's how you do it, and it tells you what time and everything that you submitted here. I don't know for some reason why it says 12:01 a.m. but oh, it's right here. Submitted at 7:05. So everything's there. It shows that it's been updated. Now, if I ask you to resubmit it because, say, your photo's cut off, or I can't read it, or I can't see your face, or part of your face, then you have to resubmit it. Then you go back here, click resubmit, and then you resubmit it. Okay. Now, how do you do it within the website? So let's go to the actual. I'm going to go to the home page of where you guys sign in from. So don't follow this yet. So we're going to get into where you see it. Okay. So say you're on the home page for your class. So where do I submit my project? Okay. Remember we're in phase 1. We're in that project. Okay. Maybe I'll add a button. Submit assignments here. Yeah. Why don't I do that? I'll do a submit assignments here, but I'll click current project. And then in current project, it'll take you to our current project, which these two are the same, this one and this one here. Okay, they're both the same. So we'll get to there because that's where your first assignment is. That's the first 3 weeks we'll be in. There's a presentation, and then we're going to have our do nows, which is next week. And then here's the lessons here too. So say we're in phase 2, right? Phase 1.2 of the project. Okay, same thing here. Your distance learning write-up. Sorry, your what I want to learn write-up. Okay, distance learning series episode 1, season 1, episode 1, part 2. Okay, you're going to submit it again up here. But instead of submitting a file, you're going to see I have it set up where you submit the website, the actual your link to your Google Doc. So let me get a Google Doc here, just a random Google Doc, and then let's see. Yeah, let's just say for the example, the example I left you guys for you guys to look at. So say you finished writing, right? You finished writing it up. You're ready to share it with me. And let's wait for it. And the blue button, all you have to do is get the blue button at the top right. Sorry, it'll appear right now. It's just computer's a little slow. All right. I'm sorry, it doesn't. It's just a little slow. There we go. Then click share, and you're gonna copy that link. Okay, copy that link so you can paste it into here, the website URL. Okay, make sure you get that. I'm not sure why it's so slow this morning. Make sure all these other things here, we don't have to worry. I have to get rid of that. Let me see. So ignore these other ones here. We don't need that. We don't need those yet. So anyway, sorry, I'm not sure why it's lagging. Oh, there we go. So you're gonna make sure you copy the link, and yours should say, Pasadena Unified. Copy the link, go back to your website URL, paste it, Command V, or you can do paste, or Control or Alt V if you have a Mac Chromebook, and there it is. Submit assignment. Click Submit Assignment, and again, the confetti will appear saying your assignment's been submitted. See up there at the top, you'll see the green. Up here at the right tells you what time you submitted it, and that's it. And I'll get a notification through Canvas that you submitted it, and also through email. All right, you don't have to worry about emailing me, did you get it, or anything like that. Okay, so this has been a video on how to turn in your projects. Oh, sorry, really quick. I need to go back. Let me go back to that page for when you do a video. You're going to do the same thing for a video. Oh, here it is. No, let me go back. So when we do video projects, same thing. You're going to go to wherever I have the assignment in for the semester, and you're going to turn it in the same way. So this is our video project, for example. When I assign you a video project, I give you the assignment details there. I give you a sample if it's been done before there, and then click Submit Assignments. And then here, I'm gonna change this so you guys can submit a video. Okay, you can actually do it through Google Drive. You can upload the video through Google Drive, and then yeah, I'll put a separate video for that because that's what I thought. I was a little hesitant on showing you guys how to do that still, but I need to add that part. Okay, it says that means it's masquerading. That means when I'm in a student view, it won't let me do it. But this is where you would usually do it, through a Google Drive, and just upload it like you would do a photo. All right, so that ends this video. Go try it out yourself. If you have any questions, you can email me, solis.steve@pusd.us. Thank you.